I want to adjust the position of the sun. Good position of the sun for the exterior is not always suitable for the interior. Go to the Interior Collision Actor Blueprint. In the OnComponent Begin Overlap event, find the Get Actor of Class function. Actor of Class, find Sun Sky. Return value, get directional light. From directional light, find set world rotation. Copy the script to OnComponent and overlap. Now I need to get the position coordinates of the sun for the exterior and interior. Select Sun Sky. Next, directional light component. Enter the coordinates from rotation string into the position function for OnComponent and overlap. This is the position of the sun when the user is outside. For OnComponent Begin Overlap, I prepare the coordinates with a different sun position. This is the position of the sun when the user is inside. Start the game. Now the change of the position of the sun works for exterior and interior.